I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you love doing resin crafts but don't like to wait so long for it to dry, you gotta try this.
It is the ENERFUN UV light for resin.
It is 48 watt and double-sided. This is so crucial if you are trying to use UV resin. They come in two pieces that easily open up. You can connect to allow a 360 UV fast curing dry option. You plug it in, turn it on, and you have 3 time lengths. You can also connect the top and bottom separately and use them to extend your drying capabilities. So you can dry a lot of jewelry now. This is great for if you're wanting to do steps. You can do the first layer, let it dry, add a flower or a design, let that dry, and then let that layer dry to reduce bubbles and create a beautiful design. They're easy to take out and set up in your craft station. I like making little potted plant jewelry, so it's nice to be able to do this in steps. Do the dirt, do the sky, let it dry, add the flowers, do another, and again, it's so easy to fold up and to put away in your bin, your drawer, in your craft room. And the end results just make such fun, beautiful jewelry. Really, there is no limit to the things that you can create in record time.
It really has taken my resin jewelry making to a whole nother level. And that's my point of view.